Hi, Ken. Have you received any information from the garment factory regarding style number B127? It seems that the variation in fabric width has led to actual consumption exceeding the approved amount. And there are also issues with color shading.
Yes, the factory just called me. I will visit them to check the issue and provide our approval and a solution tomorrow.
Yes, please do. Check the differences in fabric width. If any fabric width is narrower than the commitment from the fabric mill, collect those details and contact the mill for a replacement. Also, try to group fabric widths with different markers to optimize fabric consumption.
Understood. The factory also informed me that there is a fabric color shading issue. Because of this, they will arrange a one-way marker. This is one of the reasons why actual consumption is out of tolerance.
Please check the actual color shading situation. If there are any fabric rolls that are safe to use, release them to the factory to proceed. If there are any concerns, call me so we can check together.
Understood. If there are any serious defects, I will bring the physical fabric samples back to our office for visual inspection.
Okay, Ken.